Hey guys, welcome to another product unboxing video. Today I'm going to show you these heated gloves. We're gonna open our package as easy as this, as you can see. The color is black. I like a lot the color black for my gloves. It has a very good quality material and beautiful design. And look what it has the package. It has this little charger for your heated gloves. I'm gonna show you later for what it works for. And it has two ports, as you can see, one for each glove. And this is the manual instructions, very important, very easy to follow. As you can see, it's from both sides and it's not long. Now we have here our gloves. You can take off this little clip, and as you can see, now we have one of them. And inside of the glove we have this little battery, which is for heat the glove. It's very slim and it's not heavy. You have here the port and you connect it to the charger I was telling you before. So inside of the glove it has another little cable where you connect the battery once it's charged, as this. Look, you connect it and you put it inside the glove. Very easy, it's not complicated. And there it is. So now once your battery is charged, you are ready to use it. So I'm gonna show you how you can use your glove. You just put it in your hand and it's very comfortable. I need to say, it's not hindering in any moment. You can see it has a very good folding and it has fingerprints, so you don't struggle with your phones or tablets. Okay, so look, this is the heat mode. This is the first level. It can heat you up to 7 hours, and this would be the medium level. It heats you up to 5 hours in a row, and this is the high level, which it hits you about 2 hours and a half. Instantly you feel the heat in all the glove. It's very good technology. It hits you all over the glove from the top to the bottom, and you can turn it off as easy as this. So that would be it. I like a lot these gloves. I really recommend it a lot. They're really nice. See you in the next one, guys.